Welcome to Career Growth. One more episode, but I'm sure you're going to be very interested to know आज हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं. Let's not talk careers, let's not talk courses. Let's talk something else, but related to the same. Channel obviously career growth है, so we are going to discuss everything that is related to career growth. Let me start by sharing something. When we started career counseling, the queries were very simple. Students came to us and asked कि मैं आर्ट्स करूँ या साइंस करूँ या कॉमर्स करूँ. उसके बाद एक ऐसा फेज आया where students started asking मैं IT प्रोफेशनल कैसे बन सकता हूँ या मैं जर्नलिस्ट कैसे बन सकता हूँ. After that there was another trend where we saw students were interested in animation कि एनिमेशन में मुझे जाना है. लेकिन अब सवाल कुछ थोड़े बदल गए हैं. Students are coming and asking me what should I do which is of my interest. Can you help me find my passion? I don't want to do what my father or mother has been doing. I want to do something very different. कुछ अलग करना है, हटके करना है. So we thought let's even discuss this topic. I'm sure these questions are also on your mind, isn't it? So that brings us to our topic, which is job or passion. Job or passion. In fact, पिछले कई साल में we have heard this word quite a few times. Most of the students end up saying follow your heart. We've seen a lot of ads, professionals, movies, everybody saying follow your heart, follow your passion, do what you like to do what you love to do, then you won't have to work a single day. I think this is everybody who's asked has been saying. And we've also noticed one sentence many a times, or we've heard a lot of people say he's a businessman, वो है ना workaholic है. And on the contrary, we say he's an artist, तो वो अपना passion pursue कर रहा है. A little thought is required. Both of them are immersed in their jobs. Both of them are enjoying. Why and how is it that we say कि one is a workaholic and the other is following the passion? Thought about it? I think it's time to think about it. So let's start first by defining what do you mean by a job? Most of them are waiting for a job कि कब जॉब लग जाए, कब मैं खुद कमाने लगूंगा, कब काम करने लगूंगी. That's what people are looking at. But the moment they are in a job, they're like ये मुझे नहीं करना है. Because जॉब में कहीं ना कहीं एक नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन है कि मैं किसी और के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm working for someone else. There is a boss. There is somebody who's giving me instructions. I have to obey. एक compulsion है. It's a force. It's not my choice. मैं वही करती हूँ जो मुझे मेरे बॉस कहते हैं. This is what are the general terms when we are looking at a concept of job. That's become a popular myth among most of them कि मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ यानी मैं कुछ खास कर नहीं रहा हूँ. That is what the idea is. So honestly speaking, job is not only all these things. Job basically means कि आप एक ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटी में हो या आप एक ऐसे सिचुएशन में हो जहाँ आप आपके स्किल्स, नॉलेज और एजुकेशन को सही तरीके से यूज कर सकते हो. इन अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर यू क्लाइंब द करियर लैडर. देयर इज अ प्रोसेस टू बी फॉलोड एंड I think because now we are liberal in our thoughts, in our approach, we don't like processes, we don't like rules. And many a times jobs is all about this. It has a lot of rules and stuff like that. And that's why people do not like or have a little negative concept towards job. But what does a job demand? A job demands you to be disciplined. A job demands you to listen to somebody who's senior to you, not necessarily a authority or somebody who's trying to dominate you. A job also requires you to work within a team, within a framework to achieve a common goal. And I guess that's what you had decided or that's what you have studied as well, right? So there is somebody who's telling you how to do what to do. So think about it. Is this what you ever thought or did you think from this perspective? On that thought, I'd like to move on to the next one as to what is passion. Everybody wants to follow their passion. In fact, I get a little confused if students come and ask us, you tell me what is my passion. Honestly speaking, passion is not something external, it is internal. So there is nothing that somebody can help you or somebody can identify it for you. You have to explore it yourself because passion is nothing but an emotion, something you like to do. किसी एक चीज़ की तरफ inclination होता है, ज़्यादा interest हो जाता है, and when you start doing something, you kind of get lost in that work or in that job profile. That's what passion is all about. But then can we restrict passion to only certain fields? especially if you look at it, it ends up being restricted to the creative fields and not to the regular fields which are process driven. So that's where also we have to understand, because we think कि passion में पूरी freedom होती है. I can just do whatever I want. No rules, no nothing to follow, nobody to give orders, or I'm not going to take orders, or generally the concept is my way or the highway. But passion also demands something. If there is somebody who's actually trying to follow his or her passion, I'm sure they also have a certain set of demands. It demands a lot of resilience, it requires a lot of patience, it is risk taking also, and it is also belief and conviction in your own skills and potential कि मुझ में ये चीज़ है या नहीं, मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं, and will I be able to overcome the challenges that are there. All these things are also a part of passion. Do not forget that. Now that we know that job and passion are not two different things, we need not compartmentalize them, we need not categorize them. If for some reason you are in a job, in a course which you feel you are stuck, pause, wait and think. Why do you feel that way? Is it because you're not able to understand, or you genuinely don't like, or is your interest somewhere else? Or are you just following the myth कि ये करियर कर लिया, अब मोनोटनी आ गई तुम्हारी लाइफ में, इसके आगे कुछ होने वाला है नहीं आपके साथ? Are you being a part of this trend? I hope not, because if that's true, you need to change. So accept your reality. See how can you innovate your own job profile. See how you can bring out a different concept to what you are doing. Try to do things differently in your similar job. Yes, I'm not asking you to break the processes, but yes, even in processes can be even innovated, and that's how I think we have reached here where we are today. Processes need to be reinvented with time, with people, and in the changing natures of and demands as well. So keep that in mind as well. Next is, do not compare yourself with others' careers. If somebody seems to be very happy in what they are doing, do not go just sulk and say कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ. Don't do that, because you do not know what sacrifices and what trade-offs they have actually offered to reach where they have today. So are you ready to even make these sacrifices and compromises is something you also need to understand. But as I think in one of the earlier episodes, we've also said that change is the only constant. So keep on upgrading yourself. The moment you keep on upgrading yourself, let me tell you, things will never be the same. They will never be monotonous, irrespective of the fact that you're doing the same job on a daily basis. So keep these things in mind. Do not compartmentalize and try to find passion outside. It's within us, internally. So irrespective of the job that you are, you will still be passionate about it. So be passionate. And one more thing, keep subscribing to our channel, Career Growth. I'm sure you will find your own passion somewhere along the way as we grow.